Okay, so I've been flying in Herne Bay this morning. No, it wasn't my intention to take my drone to fly here. I was actually going to see a place called Wildwoods in Kent, but this was nice and close, so we decided to give flying a go. Now, I know my voice isn't matching my lips, that's because the audio was terrible. It was a little bit windy, but I had beautiful light and really nice scenery, so I thought I'd put the drone up. Now, I did have a few problems. I didn't charge one of my batteries, so I didn't get as much footage as I would like, and there were also quite a lot of seagulls around, so I couldn't push the limits too much. I found the gulls were particularly protective of the helter-skelter, so I wanted to do some nice close shots of that, but I couldn't get too close at all. However, having the birds in the shots can sometimes help, so it wasn't all bad. And in the background there you can see there's like an old abandoned pier of some kind with a wind farm in the background, which I'd love to have got close to, but over the sea with the gulls I just really didn't want to risk it. It was a little bit windy, I wasn't too worried about the wind, but but the combination of the wind, the gulls and the sea, it's just not worth it, and I decided this time not to push it. I say only 2 batteries, so I didn't want to get caught out. Now, usually I'd stay about like a 5-minute walk away from the beach, but we actually managed to get a hotel where you could literally get a sea view and see where I wanted to fly from straight out the window. So we managed to stay at Aqua Bay Guest House, and it had a beautiful view. And I found this really good because I could look out the window, see it was good weather, and just go and fly my drone. It was about 7 AM, so not a lot of people around. A really beautiful time to fly. Now, if you're looking at flying around Herne Bay, I'd recommend taking a quick look at Reclava Towers and Roman Fort. I personally didn't have enough time to drive down there, and I say I didn't have enough battery life. In this case, I was only staying there one night. But it certainly looks like a place where you'll get some really nice shots if you take your drone. And it's only about 5 minutes away by car. I'm not too sure on how they see drones there, but it doesn't look too busy, and I wouldn't think they'd be too worried about a drone flying over. So if you're passing through Kent, it's well worth taking a little look at Herne Bay, and I also recommend having a little look at Wildwoods too, which is like a conservation like woodland. That's it for this video, guys. I hope to see you in the next one.